Hello everyone. In this chapter, we are going to talk about four stages of a file in a Git. Whenever, and those four stages are untracked, unmodified, modified, and stage. So whenever you create a new file which is not tracked by Git repository, means like this is a brand new file and Git does not know anything about that, is known as the untracked file. Okay. Once we create any untracked file using git add command, we move those changes to our stage area. Okay. And unmodified file is a file which git is tracking, which is the part of our git repository, but we have not done any changes in that file. For the example, if any repository is having hello.txt and readme.txt, so readme.txt and hello.txt both are getting tracked by git, but we have not done any changes, so their current status will be unmodified. Then I went into readme.txt and did some changes, so now the state of that unmodified file will move to the modified file. So once you do any changes, it git will treat it as a modified file and will give you indication that this file has been modified. Once you have done your change completed your changes, or once you completed creating new file, you can move those changes to stage area. Okay. So any stage area, and that file will be in a stage state. So basically that file or the changes done will move to the git repository in next commit. So so here we learn that we have four state of a file. One is untracked, which means like git does not know anything about that file and it's a brand new file or any other thing. Unmodified file, basically git know about this file but there are no changes. Modified file means we did some changes in file and git has started telling like this file has been changed, and once our changes are done, we move that file into staging area and it becomes staged. So these are the four stages. Thank you.